Living in a condo or apartment and short on space? Today we're taking a close look at the Bosch WGB24600UC front control compact washer and matching heat pump dryer, and its main features in comparison to the main rival Miele, which you'll find interesting. Let's look at the washer. Like every compact washer, fit in a small closet or even in a kitchen. It's the same size as your dishwasher. You don't have to vent the heat pump dryer, which I'll discuss later in the video. However, compact laundry is actually more expensive than full size, which has twice the capacity, so buy compact only if you need to. The best features are speed with 15 and 30-minute cycles for lightly soiled clothing, along with tons of other wash programs. You have to search the specs for the other big feature, which is a 1600 RPM spin, tied with Miele for the highest compared to the industry average of 1100 to 1300. A 1600 RPM spin will wring out any residual water out of your clothes for much less drying time, which is important with the matching dryer. And the matching dryer is a heat pump using a compressor, heat exchanger, and evaporator to dry your clothes way more efficiently. And you don't even have to run a vent. Normally, say heat pumps take longer to dry, but the washer will almost pre-dry the clothes. So how does this compare to Miele? Miele has a few features that Bosch does not. They both can wash silks, but Miele's perforated honeycomb drum will allow the fabrics to glide on a sheet of water. You have a caplet dispenser with the Miele as well. Bosch's dryer is 220 volt, while the Miele is only 110. But Miele employs mineral sensors to detect the water. Their drying times are about the same. But reliability is a deciding factor. On the washer, they're about 0.7% apart, with Bosch being slightly more reliable. Miele is much more reliable for the dryer at only 3.9% to Bosch's 8.8%, because Miele has been only producing heat pump laundry since 2018 and it's relatively new for Bosch. Compact laundry is the most advanced yet amongst the hardest to service. Find the brand with the best possible service in the area and really consider buying this set on better service alone. If you want to learn more about the best compact washers for this year in Miele, LG, and Bosch, click this video, and thanks for watching.